In this video, I'm going to be showing you a fix for the Twitter. We found more than one account with that specific phone number message that you could get. So let's get straight into it. So you aren't really supposed to create multiple Twitter accounts with the same phone number. So you'll run into that problem if you've gone ahead and done so. But you can either create another account with an email or remove the phone number from one of the accounts. So let's get straight into how you would do that. And the first one would be to delete the phone number. So once you're on the Twitter homepage, go ahead and tap on those three horizontal lines at the top left. And then you want to tap on settings and privacy. And then you want to tap on the first option there where it says account. And there where it says your phone number on an Android device, what you would do is simply tap on that. And then you would tap on delete phone number. On an iPhone, you would hold down on your phone number and then delete it. So that would be how you delete your phone number. So to create an account with email, what you would do is tap on those three horizontal stripes again. You can see I have two accounts right at the top, but there's a little down arrow there on the right hand side. Tap on that. Then you would tap on create new account and you'll be on the create your account screen, and then you would enter in your name. So I'll just go ahead and do that. So once you go ahead and tap on that section, you can see at the bottom there it says use email instead. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you would type in your email address. And as you can see, I haven't created an account with that email address, so that's all good to go. You would enter in your date of birth. Once you've filled in all that information, tap on next, and then you'll be able to customize your experience. Tap on next and go through the process of creating your account, and that would be how you create your account with your email address. So hopefully this helped you solve the issue, and if this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.